So with respect to the failure analysis, what we were really looking there was to determine the root cause of failure points in order to really reduce the probability of occurrence or reoccurrence of those failure points. We also were interested in finding out how the key respondents rated a list of factors that could potentially threaten the program's success. So for example, if you looked at 3 of the factors here and the risk priority, low level of interest in the community was identified as a high risk for being able to sustain or ensure the program was successful. Withdrawal of funding was always a big concern. What are we going to do after the money is no longer available for us to implement this program? How can we continue to do it? And a low priority risk was something as simple as they were concerned that they wouldn't have enough storage space for the exercise equipment that was being used for the physical activity program. For the medium or high priority risks that were identified by both of the models, so what Larry presented to you was the preliminary data that we have coming out of the high intensity and the moderate intensity models. Their concerns were things like insufficient support for staff, and one of the things that we really have learned through implementing these programs is that some centres have an infrastructure that is better suited to the implementation of these types of programs than other centres. So looking for key administrative infrastructure is a critical thing to identify. Community services cutbacks, which is clearly a huge problem in California right now. We're not really sure where the axe is going to fall next. But we know it's going to have a profound effect on community-based programming for older adults.